Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Advanced Coding Lab. Today, let's assume you have a list of website links, but they all start with www dot. You want to remove it and give the rest of the link. How do we do that in Python? Let's find out in a simple way. So imagine we have this list of websites. Our goal is to remove www dot from each of them. So let's try two different methods. In the first method, let us use lstrip method. It removes certain characters from the start of a string. So here is the code. Now let's print the result and see what happens. Oh, some links don't look right. Lstrip w dot removes any w or from the start. That's not what we want. No worries. There is a better way using remove prefix method. If it removes only what we specify, here is the correct way. So now let us execute the code and this works perfectly. It removes only www dot and leaves the rest of the link unchanged. Here you can see the difference. So let's quickly recap. Lstrip can be risky because it removes all w and dot from the start, where remove prefix is better because it removes only www dot. So always use remove prefix for this task. That's it for today. Try this in Python and tell me in the comments if it worked for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding.